If you are a realtor and you want to grow your business, you want to get unlimited leads using an AI, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you the playbook that we use for my business and for my client on how they able to get unlimited leads using this playbook. And second, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to implement this playbook. So if you're excited, I'm so excited as well to share this with you. Let's begin. So the first one is the playbook. The playbook, this is the game plan. This is the playbook. This is the plan that we're going to implement to get unlimited leads using automations and AI. So the first thing is you need to have a website. I know majority of the realtors, they have a website, but I want you to assess your website. Do you have the following pages? About us, service, listing, Google review, and contact us. If you say yes, then I want you to check again. If these pages have a right call to action, are you able to put a booking link? If there is a listing that you have already a listing, can you collect and capture data? Because if not, you need to reconsider your this presentation or this playbook for you. If you don't have these pages, then stay on this video because I'm going to share with you how to create this website super easy using the Go High level. By the way, if you don't have a Go High level yet, try to consider click the link in the description below. That's my affiliate link, and you'll given an opportunity to use the Go High level for 30 days free trial. With that, you have an opportunity to explore and at the same time to learn Go High level. And if you are part of my affiliate community, you will have an opportunity to get a copy of this playbook and plus a snapshot that I created for my realtor clients. You can get it totally for free. Just message me, Cap Joey. I sign up under your link. Please send me the free snapshot for Realtor. And if you are already a Go High level user, you just want to have a copy of the snapshot, just comment below in the comment section and I'll send to you directly. But anyway, going back, this is the playbook. We want to create a website with about us. Pro tip, as I mentioned, you need to make sure you share about your personal experience. Tell a story about yourself. And then at the same time, when you are providing services, make sure that you clearly highlight in your website what are the services that you can provide. Are you helping people to sell, buy, or manage property? You need to make sure that it's clearly stated in your website so that when people visiting your website, they know what you can do for them. All right. And listing. This is listing is very important for a realtor because most of the buyer, for example, I am the buyer or a seller, I always check the website. Reason why is I want to check if you have the capacity to sell my house. If you have a marketing strategy that can help me sell my house faster compared if I'm going to do it on my own, right? So you need to showcase that you are expert on selling the house. And one way to show that you are an expert is by having a listing on your website, right? And Google review will also complement this expertise and experience of selling a house because there are some people that were going to give you reviews how you're able to help them either by selling the house or buying a house. So this is something that you need to do. Google review or testimonial is super essential to get unlimited leads. Now let's do this. In the playbook, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a listings. I'm going to show you on how to create listing. Super easy using the Go High level. There will be a pop-up forms. There will be a Facebook retargeting as well, and also the view listing redirect brokerage to other websites. So we're going to redirect them to the website. This will be the flow. And then there will be a questionnaire asking them how we can help you. Are you going to buy or sell a house here? And there will be an automations each choices that they have. If they want to sell a house, there will be a separate automation. If they want to buy a house, there will be a separate automation. The goal of the automation is quick response, being responsive, and also the call to actions of booking an appointment. The goal for these automations is to make sure the customer that reach you out are able to book an appointment with you so that you can close this customer and become a paying customer. So that's our goal. And also, after fulfilling the service, for example, you as a realtor, you're able to help them to sell the house, you're able to buy a house for the client. Now we're going to automatically send a Google review. As I mentioned a while ago, Google review testimonials are essential to get unlimited leads. Now, the question now is how to implement this playbook. The good thing is on the next slide, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to implement this playbook. So if you're ready, let's begin. As I promised to you, we're going to show you on how to do or create this template or implement this template to your business. So the first thing is you need to log in with your Go High Level account. Just in case you don't have a Go High Level account, you don't need to worry. There is a free trial at the bottom of this video. Just click the link and use and utilize our free 30 days free trial of Go High Level. By the way, it's an affiliate link, and one of the advantage of joining my affiliate community is that you can use and access all of these free templates and automations that we created for our community. So I strongly suggest if you already have or you don't have a Go High Level account, click the link and join my affiliate community, and I'm here to help you as well. So anyway, let's begin. Click the site, then go to the website sections. And from the website section, you will see this template. So if you are my affiliate, I'm going to send all of these templates to your account. Okay. Now we're going to click and explore this option. The JF stands for One Funnel Real Estate Generic Copy. And then as you can see here, there's a 5 pages that we're going to edit. I just want to highlight these 5 pages. This is one of my discussion here in the playbook. All right. So inside the home page, this is the home page, you will see this pattern or template. The first one is the home page, which is the slider. So I put a highlighted here, a text says your dream home awaits in Halifax. Try to put the name, the address, a short description, the amount, and the photo of the featured product or service. Then the next one is the who we are. This is the about us. So I suggest here to put some stories, how you're able to help other people. So make sure that when you tell who you are, make sure you're able to tell a story that is relatable to your audience and customers. These are the recent properties. Again, if you're going to showcase a listing that is listed to your website, it gives you a confidence, an advantage, and say, hey, this realtor can really help me to sell a house because he or she have a very good website wherein every listing is properly posted in his or her website. So I'm going to show you how easy to change this. So as you can see my photo here, I already changed this. So you can click this image and go to this section, the image options, click this one, and then select the photo, just double click. Okay, just double click this one. Here you go. Then if you want to change this again, just double click and then click this image option. Click this image icon and it will go to this. Here you go, right? And this is very straightforward. Just change the address. If this is a Northwest office or maybe the locations, this is the exact address, the number of bedrooms, and the square size or the lot area. Now, what I really want to do here is once the customer click contact us, it will do a pop-up. Pop-up means it will appear another page. And another page is an online form where the customer can fill up their information, such as name, last name, phone number, email, and the purpose of visit. Are they going to visit they want to talk to you, they want to to learn more about your service because they want to sell their house, or they are here to buy a house, right? So this is qualifying questions that we're going to ask in our online form. So the idea, going back on the playbook, is to have leads. So if we're going to ask them, are you going to sell or are you going to buy a house? If they say, okay, I'm going to buy a house, there will be a different automations or reminders. And if they want to buy a house, there will be separate automation as well. Another thing is answering the online forms. We can easily do a pipeline of the customers, how many people are interested to buy or how many people interested to sell their house, right? And then after signing up, we're going to encourage them to book an appointment with you so that you can talk to them personally. So that will be our flow, that will be our strategy. So based on the website that we created, I think we're able to achieve this by creating a pop-up, an online form. I'll just say here, a pop-up here, and then fill up the forms. Now I'll just click save, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can change the color, by the way. So just click this one and change the background color. You can simply change that one. If you want to change the background image, just click the image and say BG Media. This is background image. Just click this one and select the photo that you want. All right. And then same here as well. This is like a background image. You can say BG Media background. Just change this one as well. So to do that, just simply do this. Yeah. So yeah, that's the how simple and easy to create website using our account or using the Go High level. So let's go now here. Let's go to the automation. So we already have the online form created. We have the listing. Now let's go to the online form. The online form is already created for you. That's why it's so recommended. I personally recommend it to sign up under my affiliate, and you don't need to do any single of this one because it's already done for you. It's a plug and play. All right. So now here's the online form that I created, and this is the online form or questionnaires that they need to answer. What's their name, last name, phone number, email, and the most important thing is how we can help you today. On the what, how can I help? I want to sell, I want to buy, not sure, maybe a free consultation. That will be the three options that the customer need to select. So now we are done with this online forms. So we will have two automations that we're going to show you. So if the customer selected I want to sell a house, we have a separate automation for that one. And if the customer says, I want to buy a house, we will have a separate automation for that. So let's click this one, sell a house. So if the customer says, I want to sell a house, this will be the flow. So this will be the automations that we're going to create. So this automations is already done for you. But if you want to get the snapshot for free, just click the link in the description below as well. So anyway, let's start. So add the tag. So the first thing is if the customer say, I want to sell my house, the first thing is we will have this automation will be running. So to do this, just simply click the add trigger first, then say form submitted, select the form. What is the form? I'll say the SME real estate. All right. And I want to add filter here, and I'll say how we can help you today, and I say I want to sell my house. All right. So the customer sign up the form and selected on the very specific questions how we can help you today. Say I want to sell a house. So click save. That will be the trigger. So it means that if the customer fill up the form, it will run this automation. The first automation is there will be a tag. What is a tag? A tag is like a nameplate of your customers. So just imagine this, every time you see your customer in your system, it will have a nameplate or a tag says, I want to sell a house. Now you know that this customer specifically, they want to sell their house. Okay. So there will be a tag. The second automation is update of your system. Probably this customer already signed up for you, or you already have a database years ago, and then they go back again to you, and then they fill up a new form. Probably they already changed their email address. So what the system will do is update the contact field. So the next step or automations is the pipeline. The pipeline is one way to show where your customer is now. So if the customer wants to sell a house, then the customer will be on the sell your house pipeline. On the sell your house pipeline, I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like on the pipeline. Just go back here. Let's confirm this. Let's go back to the pipeline, opportunities, go to the opportunities here, and then select sell your house. So this will be the pipeline here. So there's a new lead, hot lead, qualified, book requested, and also confirmed, canceled, no show. A client is active, house is not yet prepared. Contingent listing, house is in the listing. Pending, it means that it's already on closing, waiting for the closing, and the house is sold, right? So this is the pipeline. So pipeline, just to simplify this, the pipeline is one way to show to your to your team or to yourself that where the customer is now. Are there a new leads? Are they a hot leads? Or they book an appointment, no show, or probably they are active customers right now, or the listing is already, the house is already in listing, currently listed, right? So these are the pipelines gives you an overview of the flow of your customers, all right? So now let's say I want to sell my house. I'll just go back here. So the next will be the conversational email. This is like an automated response. So if someone fill up the form, this will be the automatic response. So just imagine the time elements, right? So someone sign up the form and instantly they get a response. This is a very good customer service. So just imagine this, someone sign up and you automatically reply to them. Because based on the statistics, there's a lot of cost of the realtor right now that they don't respond, they are not responsive, they don't respond quickly, and they lose the customer because most of the customers, they want an immediate response, right? So just imagine this, you have an AI or automations that will answer every time someone fill up the form. There will be an automated response like this: welcome, let's get started on selling your home, Joey. So it's customized, right? And the message will be, thank you for signing up. We're excited to help you with the next step in selling your home. Our team is here to make your process as smooth and stress free as possible. Let's chat, book an appointment. So, this is one way to have the highest conversion rate of your customers because you can immediately make a response if someone send an inquiries to your websites. That's the power of automations. And speaking about automations, you're not just sending them an email, but also an text message, an SMS, right? Hey, Joey, for example, this is the client name. Thank you for signing up. We're excited to help you sell your home. Book a quick chat with us, and here's the link. The trigger link is the booking link, right? So the trigger link is one way to see if the customer clicked the link or not. That's the purpose of the trigger link. So this is the condition. Now, if the trigger link is clicked within 2 minutes, we want them to send another link. This is the booking link. And then if not, there will be a manual actions that we need to do, which is the voicemail. You need to upload your voicemail. You'll try to call them and leave a voicemail. Hey, this is John Doe, right? I'm a realtor that you contacted, etc., etc. If you want to book an appointment, call me back on this number, right? That's simple. Then after a day, do a manual call. Manual call means that you're going to receive a notification here that you need to manually call the customer. Let's go to the conversations and you will see your task on this section. Manual call, it means that you need to call them manually. And the task will be listed on this section. So you just go to the conversation, go to the manual actions. You will see the name, the phone number of the customers, and then you will see that you need to call them, right? So that's your manual task. So let's go to the automations once again. Just go to the SME real estate workflow and then go to my sell house. You will see all these informations. All right. Then let's go back to another automate. Let's go to the playbook. This one will be like I want to sell. This one will be like I want to buy a house. So this is the automation for I want to buy a house, right? Same thing. Let's go to the trigger because this automation will not run without a trigger. So online form again, select the form, and then select the SME real estate sell or buy a house, and then add, and then select data, how we can help you today, and sell, buy a house, right? We want to buy a house, then save, and then again, it will put a tag or a nameplate. I want to buy a house. So these customers want to buy a house and update the system. And then it will move to a new pipeline, buy a house pipeline. I'm going to show you again what's the pipeline for buy a house. Let's go here, go to the opportunity, and then scroll down, buy a house. You will see here a new lead, a hot lead, book requested. All right. So if they already click the link, they're already booking appointment. If they're no show, canceled meeting. And if they're qualified to ready to buy a house or they're active searching for a house. And let's say, for example, you're already looking for a house, we will just move this customer into active searching for a house because you as a realtor, you're looking for a unit or property or multi-unit for them, right? And now if they make an offer, we will just move this to the pending, waiting for the closing, and bought a house. That's easy, right? So now you have an overview of the process of your customer. Let's go back again to the automations. Let's go back here and say, I want to buy a house. There will be, so again, let's imagine this. This customer went to your website, fill up the form, and select, I need you to help me to buy a house. And automatically this email will be sent to their email, ready to buy your dream home. Let's get started. Thank you for reaching out. We're excited to help you purchase your dream home, whether you're a first time buyer or looking to build your property portfolio. Our team is here to build your step by step process. Get started. There's a booking link, book now. And now there will be a text message again, and then there will be a trigger wherein we were going to wait for 2 minutes if the customer click the trigger link, okay, or the booking link. If if the link is clicked, okay, we will send another text message. Here's the link. And also, if the customer didn't click the link, we will have a voicemail. So we will try to call them and then we will leave a voicemail. And then after a day, we will do a manual calling if we're not able to talk to your customer. So this is the automations that we created for you. Okay, just wait for a second. So this is the automations that we created for you. So if the customer fill up the form, then they will send a specific automations. So I already show you the pipeline. Now, if it's booking appointment, this is the good thing. I already set up an automation for you as well. So how to do this, I'll just show this to you. So this is the automations for booking appointment, by the way. So if the customer book an appointment, we will just have this automation. This is just a reminder like, hey, you have a 20, your booking appointment is confirmed. You have a 24 hours reminder. You have 1 hour reminder. You have a text message. You're going to text them 1 hour before your appointment. So this is one way of to make sure that this customer will show up to your booking appointment. And one thing that I really want to show you is the pipeline. So if ever you're able to fulfill the service, like for example, you're able to help them to buy or sell the house, then we will send them an send review request. So how to do this? If the trigger changed to buy, let's say for example, one. So let's say for example, a pipeline from here, let's say from the opportunity, let's say from from pending to close, we will change this into one position. So this will be the automation. So if the status is changed one, it means that you are able to fulfill your service. This automation will be triggered. They will be removed to all the workflow, and we will send a text or an email asking for review or SMS review. Wait for the 3 days, and then there will be an internal notifications that hasn't yet left a review. Please follow up manually. So this is one way to make sure that the customers able to send us a review. All right. Before I jump to this one, I just want to review this. So this is the playbook and the bonus point that I'm going to share with you. Okay. So I already discussed this website listings. We already have these forms, the automations, the pipeline, and the Google testimonials. So I think we're all done. And before we end this video, I want to put more value and I want to show you how AI can leverage to your business. I'm going to show you how the AI can help you to get more leads. That's why I'm going to show you on this video how to set up an AI employee or an AI agent for your business. So to do the AI voice or AI agent or AI employee using the Go High level, you need to go to your settings, go to the voice agent AI, and create agent. That's it. That's how easy it is, right? But always remember that you need to have a phone number. So before creating agent, I want you to go to the phone number first and buy a phone number. Once you get your phone number, go to this AI agents here and create agent, and it will select, you need to select a phone number. So the good thing here, there's several voices that you can select. I'll just show you a few people.
I'm not interested in age.
That's the
People who
voice
tell
of
me their age are
Marcos.
silly. You're as old as you feel.
This is the voice of
Love doesn't make the world go round.
Monica,
Love is what makes the ride
right?
worthwhile.
So to set this up, you just need to select your business name, the time zone, and the agent's name and the voice. That's very important here. Now for the goals, I'll just close this because I already have set up AI for a realtor. Already have this one. Here you go. So this is for the realtor. I selected Samantha. This is the voice of
Before you
Samantha.
put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Okay. And then the initial message, you say, "Hey there, thank you so much for calling One Funnel Realty. Are you thinking of buying new homes, selling your property, or is there something else we can help you today?" So I put the timeline here, time zone, and then by the way, you can call this number and try and experience how the AI agent can book an appointment for you. So 705 to 2433 925. So you can call this number and try dial this and check and try to feel if the AI agent is something that can help you. So the idea of the AI agent is that you are busy, you are so busy, maybe you're dealing with a client, you're currently in the meeting, you're currently showing a home, or your client with your buyer, you're viewing some properties, right? And now you cannot answer the phone because you're in the middle of something, right? Now this AI agent will able to help you qualify the leads. So I'm going to show you later on how we're going to do this, but this will be the AI prompt that I love to share with you. So if you want to set up your AI agent, let me know in the comment section. and I'm happy to help you to set up your AI agent. Just click the link on the description below. Another thing is, again, you cannot do all of these tips and tips that I'm showing you right now if you don't have a Go High level. So it's very, very important that you have a Go High level account. Again, if you don't have a Go High level account, what I want you to do is click the link in the description below, and we're happy to help you as an affiliate marketer, affiliate community. All right, let's dial this number. I'm going to.
Hi there. Thanks so much for calling One Funnel Realty. Are you thinking about buying a new home, selling your property, or is there something else we can help you with today?
Okay, I'm planning to sell my house. Do you
Great.
assist on that one?
Thanks for letting us know. If you don't mind, I'd like to ask a few quick questions to better understand your property before booking an appointment with our team. Would that be okay?
Absolutely, yeah. Go ahead.
Awesome. Can you share a bit about the property you're looking to sell, like the type, such as a house, condo, or land, and its location?
Okay, it's a single detached here in Halifax.
Got it, a single detached in Halifax. Do you have an idea of the current value of your property, or would you like us to assist with an evaluation?
Assist me because the last time I checked, it's around 400 something, but I'm not sure.
No worries, we can definitely help with an evaluation. Are you planning to sell immediately, or are you exploring your options for the future?
I'm exploring for the option best offer or services. Huh.
Got it, you're exploring options for the best offer. Is the property currently occupied, or is it vacant?
It's currently occupied by us, by my family.
Understood. Would you like help with staging or preparing your property for sale?
Yeah, that definitely that will be a good option.
Great. Let's book an appointment with our team to help you further. May I have your full name and the best phone number to reach you?
Yeah, it's Joey Joey Moreno Moreno.
Thanks, Joey Moreno. Could you also share the best phone number to reach you?
Absolutely. 902-907-4005.
Perfect, thanks for that. Is it okay to send the online booking link to your phone by SMS?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Send.
sending the booking link. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the text message. So, yeah, I don't have any questions. I'll just book the on the link, right?
If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you very much.
And that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. And if you find it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have questions along the way, some clarification, let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to help you. And again, if you don't have a Go High level, we have an affiliate link at the description below. Just click the link. And if you want to join and access my community, I'll put as well the link in the description below where you can access all my tutorials. And of course, as a community, your questions will be my next topic. So make sure to comment in the comment sections. Once again, it's me, Cap Joey, the founder of One Funnel, a proud white label of Go High Level. Thank you very much.